Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you a question on mentality that we have made in our mind. So in today's video I'm going to discuss with you how to get rid of that type of mentality that we have made in our mind and how to achieve our goal like to be fluent in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, today topic is that how to be fluent in English. So for this question, what we generally do, we generally search many different kind of platform like social media, YouTube, Google. So we generally search how to be fluent in English. Okay, and everywhere every tutor, every teacher always says that if you really want to fluent in English, so you have to speak more, you have to practice more, each and every day you have to practice more. Okay, but knowing of this thing that practice is the main key to be fluent in English. Okay, but what happened, there are two groups of people. Okay, first group like A group or second group like B group. So first group people always thinking, always searching many different platform on YouTube, on Google, that how to be fluent in English. Is there no other way to be fluent in English? Is there no other method to help us to be fluent in English? Why always people says always time that if you really want to speak in English, so you have to speak more, speak more, speak more, practice more each and every day. Is there no other way to learn this language? And the second group people, they are always thinking, okay, if it requires to practice, if it requires to practice each and every day, and if it requires to speak more, then I am going to speak more and I am going to practice each and every day. Okay, so there are two groups of people. Now I want to ask you a question. Where are you standing, first group or second group? Okay, I know there are many people who are standing first group. They are always searches on the YouTube, on Google, and they can't learn this language. They can't learn this language. Why? Because there is only simple mantra. Simple mantra. Okay, the mantra is that speak more, practice more, each and every day you have to speak more you speak, better you will become. More you speak, you better you become fluent in English. Okay, so you have to practice more each and every day. Okay, now let's talk about different kind of problem like ma'am, I have no one, I have no surroundings, I am not from English medium school, so that's why I can't learn this language, that's why I can't achieve this goal like to be fluent in English. Okay, so I think that if you have this type of problem, so if you really have a eager to learn this language, so there are many options. Now, in today era, in present era, it's not a problem. Okay, it's there is no problem to be fluent in English, to learn this language, because it's a social media time. We are using different kind of platform. So if we are using different kind of problem, so our problem like that, I have no one, I have no surroundings, is going to remove, is going to vanish. So why are you thinking all the time? Okay, now let's talk about what you need to do to be fluent in English. First thing is that, okay, talk to yourself. Can't you talk to yourself? No one can deny that, ma'am, I can't myself. How it's so funny to talk to my ourself. No, it's not funny. Why? Because we always talk to ourselves. It's a human nature. It's not a funny. It's not a joke. If we are talking about every time, okay, and you think that I do not talk to ourselves. No, it's not true. Everyone can talk to ourselves. Everyone talk their self. Okay, so talk to yourself. Think about the situation. Think about the scenario. Okay, talk to the story. Okay, in our childhood, think about always we are always listening different kind of we were always listening different kind of story from our grandfather, grandmother, mother, father. So we are, found of to listening a story. So why are you not telling a story in english, okay, in english form? Let's make this habit to talk about the any story. Choose one story in a one week, and next week you have to choose second story and think about the story, what is happening, what happened. In this way you can easily, connect with this language. Okay, and now let's talk about, okay, talk to yourself. This is the first thing, and talk about the story. Now the first group always thinking that they are always searching different kind of platform, like how to be fluent in english. Why? Because they don't give any effort to be fluent in english. They don't give any effort. They don't want to tell a story. They don't want to summarize a story. They don't want to create some question belongs to the story. So if they don't want to give any effort, then how can they fluent in english? They can't fluent in english. Okay, so now let's talk about the person who are ready to give some effort to be fluent in english. Okay, so it's very easy for them, that who are ready. So now let's talk about, talk to yourself, talk to about story, talk about your, ancient happen and किसी घटना के बारे में. You can talk about any circumstances. You can talk about any memory which will, which is good or bad for you. Okay, now let's talk about any scenario. Think in your mind that you are in this problem, and in this way you can, you can make a scenario in your mind. In this way your memory, your thinking ability will be increasing day by day. Believe me friend, day by day. If you are do practice each and every day and use different kind of thing, like think about the scenario, think about the problem, think about the memory which had happened in your past time, and so you can easily give a pressure in your mind, and your mind will be increasing. Your thinking ability will be increasing day by day. Okay, now so this is all the thing. Now let's talk about your problem. Your problem is that, ma'am, I have no one, I have no surroundings, and what happened, I am from English, I am from hindi medium schools, so that's why I am not able to speak in english. Okay, so use different kind of methods, and I have shared with you many methods in my previous video. Why are you not watching all the videos? Okay, and if you have not know about the about the methods, so in a short form I'm going to give you some short methods, like mirror technique. It's a very useful technique. Use this technique, and today time there is the time of interview, so student generally use this technique. Okay, why? Because it this technique will give you confidence. You are thinking that in front of me someone is sitting, someone is asking me a question, and I am going to give him or her answer. In this way you can create a imagination, you can create a illusion in front of you, and once you do this practice each and every day, what you need to do this practice, you need to just stand in front of the mirror and choose any random topic like it's up to you. It's depend on your interest. Okay, so choose any topic and talk about that topic minimum 1 minute. Okay, minimum 1 minute. Okay, and in during this time when you are talking about that topic, so you need to capture your position, your way of how to speak, way of style, so you can easily make a video. Okay, and after finishing your speech, you can watch your video, where are you wrong or where are you right. So this technique will help you a lot. Okay, now let's talk about another technique. So another technique is that shadowing means imitation. Okay, if I talk to you in front of you, so this is also a mirror technique, because I am talking to you in front this mobile. So mobile is also like a mirror. Okay, I am using mirror technique. Okay, now and okay, shadowing means what you need to do, you need to choose any video audio. You have to listen one sentence, then pause the sentence, and you have to repeat that sentence with the same pronunciation, with the same intonation. Okay, now do this practice each 1 minute. Okay, when your speech finish, so now what you need to do, this is the time of your creation. You need to create some WH question belonging to that speech that you have listened, that you have watched. Okay, in this way you can because listening, imitation, speaking, imitation is only input. Okay, and once you create some question, once you speak in English, so that means these are some process, that is output. So you need to balance between input or output. Okay, so friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So there is only one mantra, and the mantra is that keep practice each and every day. Okay, okay, now let's talk about, if someone give you a mantra, so what you need to do, what you generally do, you generally chanting all the time, 100 time, 1000 time, each and every day. So now this is your mantra, like do practice each and every day. Now you have to do practice minimum 100 time. No, not 100 time. You need to practice only 10 times. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.